Hi guys, I'm artistic team member Jacob Kahn and I'm here in Seattle at Cosmoprof The Workshop, and I want to share a few tips with you on how you can use tension to be a more accurate hair cutter. Now, when we're taking a section, something that people often do is lift with their hands and then try to get an even tension that way without their comb. You can see that this is very disorganized and will make your sections less accurate. Here's what I want you to do. We're going to use our comb as a ruler and marry our fingers and our comb together. When we take a section, we're going to place our comb at the base of the section. Hang the hair over. Place your fingers right up against your comb and follow them together to the top of the section where you plan on cutting your line. This should be balanced. Your fingers should literally support your comb. Once you've got an even and organized tension, you can remove the comb and place it in your thumb, and then relax your scissor on your finger so that you can cut a clean and straight line using your fingers as a guide, right? Let's go through that one more time. We place our comb at the base of the scalp and hang the hair over. Fingers go right behind the comb. We're gonna slowly and cleanly keep our fingers and the comb together. When we get to the line that we wanna cut, we remove the comb, place it in our finger, in between our thumb and our palm. Rest your still blade on your fingers, and then you can create a nice, clean, and even line with even and accurate tension. Practice that every single day until it becomes like second nature to you, and you'll be a much more confident and capable hair cutter.